Genie StealthDrive Connect Model 7155 TKV is a comprehensive all-in-one intelligent and smart garage door opener that works well and ensures ultra-quiet performance. It is an excellent device for your garages that are connected to volume-sensitive areas, including your home bedrooms or kindergartens. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's unbox this garage opener and see what's in the box. You will get a 1 1/4 HPC Smart Belt Drive garage door opener with battery backup, 2 pre-programmed 3-button garage door opener remotes, a wireless keypad, a multifunction wall console, safe T-beam system, detailed programming, and installation instructions. The StealthDrive Connect's motor is paired with a steel-reinforced belt drive, making it the ideal garage door opener. The dimensions of the device are 8.5 by 12 by 28 inches, and it weighs 0.16 ounces. It's lightweight and doesn't require any additional hardware. For easy assembly, this smart garage door opener comes with built intelligent 3D interactive instructions. It is made of plastic and available in black and white color. There are several features of Genie StealthDrive Connect. Some of its key features are battery backup, compatibility with smart devices like Alexa, and ultra quiet. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. It has a great feature where it starts slow, then accelerates, then slows down again as it gets to the end of its travel. This system works well with quite a number of different smart home technologies, including Google Assistant, Alexa, etc. The device also works well on residential sectional garage doors up to 7 feet in height. But for 8 feet high doors, you have to use extension EKTB. In a nutshell, considering noise level, value for money, motion detection, ease of installation, Alexa integration, and Wi-Fi signal points, we rate it 8.7 out of 10. After analyzing longtime users' feedback and comments posted on different e-commerces, we found that consumers are delighted with built-in battery backup, which allows for the garage door opener to be used when the main power is out. A 5-piece rail system snaps together for easy installation and comes with a wireless keypad that allows opening the garage door with PIN easily. However, the user is dissatisfied as it recommends installing a powerful Wi-Fi router for a stable connection. After careful consideration, Genie StealthDrive Connect Model 7155 TKV is recommended for people who have no price issue and looking for a garage door that works great, is quiet, and all the smart features have been excellent. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.